As it dey hot, my people, let's make delicious sauce stew for rice, guys. Omo, watch how I make this vegetable stew. Now, wife material dey run am. So now the meat when I want use be that now chicken. I don already wash am, so I put onions inside. After I add onions, I put thyme. That is thyme. So I added curry inside also. Okay, now who dey zuzu? Now wife material. So this is garlic powder. So I added a little garlic powder inside. So I also go in with ginger powder as e dey hot. Now wife material dey run am, put everything inside. So I can't go in with salt. As you all know, and as small small I dey put am, I no dey put am many. I can't put one normal again and star, one star. Put am inside, break am inside. So I don't use maggi to cook my food. What I not say I know they use ingredients. Okay, guys. After I break the maggi inside, I say this food. So I'm gonna put bay leaf. Now I can put bay leaf inside. I don't buy bay leaf. I never see me they put bay leaf for the chicken or the meat when I dey boil. I don't they put some where some people come they tell me say I know they use bay leaf, way this, way that. So the chicken don't ready, or the chicken don't done. So I can't carry the chicken, I can't carry and down. So it's time for me to continue with the cooking. On the pot when I want to cook the gwedemede stew with this one, guys. So I can't put groundnut oil inside. After I put groundnut oil, I can't go in with the onions. Meanwhile, you need enough onions on this stew, guys. As you all know, guys, after I put the onions, I can't turn around as a wife material that I am. You know, say now only wife material sabi turn pots like this, so they turn the onions upside down. So as I turn and finish, I cover. I can't check and again the thing it's dried already the way I want it. I go in with some curry. After I add the curry, I still turn and again as a wife material that I am. So after I turn and finish, I go in with pepper. This is fresh pepper, hot bonnet pepper. I can go in with fresh tomatoes, cut fresh tomatoes. I add them together, mix them together. Now wife material, they run like this. If you want to try this stew, use this process and cook your stew and come and thank me later, guys. So I cover it to cook. After I cook, I come back again. I can go in with bell pepper. This one a bell pepper. I can add everything inside and the carrots. I add them inside there. So make I turn it together, make everything for sweat them make them. Who dey zuzu na wife material. Una dey film well, zoom well. So after I turn and finish, I can add salt inside. Say make I add salt and maggi. I can put one on maggi inside. No, this one don't need too much maggi, oh, because na vegetable sabri, oh. You don't need to put too much maggi inside. Okay, guys, as they hot. So after I put the maggi, I can turn that together as a wife material that I am. Now no say now only wife material fit turn food like this. Everything goes with them there. So I say make una come register for my live class if you don't know how to cook. Now me be the best cook on this app, guys. So I come back again to check and come go in with my cabbage. This is cabbage. I add it inside. Or more, if you taste this stew and you will cut your stomach. If you use it to eat rice, you will not love to eat any other food again. You will like to cook this stew every day, and it's healthy. You can use it to eat your yam, you eat your rice, because it's healthy for your body. So after then I go in with the chicken. You don't need to fry the chicken at all. If you are cooking this food, don't use fried meat. Just use chicken if you want to use chicken, and if you want to use fish, you can fry the fish before using it. But if you want to use this one, just use chicken and anything you like, use it. But if you want to use the cow meat or all those things, you can fry it. Oh, guys, just take a look at this stew. I come back again, I can put egg inside. This stew is sweremende. This stew is yummy. This stew is delicious. This stew is one in a million. Try it and come and thank me later. I dey tell you say na only wife material dey run am. Come and register for my online class. I dey here dey wait for you. No tell me say you no sabi cook o. I dey here dey wait for you. Come and register for my online class. All you need to do to register, follow me for this page and watch the video I update on this page. Like, comment and share. When you do it like that, you are now registered. So anytime I update video, always watch it to the end so that you will know how I make this stew for the beginning to the end. Guys, share this video, follow me for more.